Hey guys, welcome back to your best lessons. So if I told you you could play Nigerian praise very easy after you watch this video, would you believe me? Yes, you would. Yeah, you will believe me totally 100%. Because in this video, I'll be giving you simple bass lines you can apply to simple chord progression in that praise songs. Okay, so if you're interested, I am doing a very long Nigerian praise. I'll be breaking them down in video lessons. So this is the first part and the rest will be coming too. I recommend you to watch the video to the end, as I said earlier, understand the concept of it, then you can copy and paste this bass line in your own Nigerian praise or any English or local praise. Okay, I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. So guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. This is a full song version, which I'll be breaking them down into pieces and I'll be doing them in every video. Okay, so this is the first part which I'm doing today, and the next videos I'll be bringing them up. Okay, so I want you to follow me on this praise lesson so that you don't miss any part of it. Okay, so now let's listen to the groove I played and let me break it down easy for you. So that was on 1-5-1. So if you know any song that you'll be doing 1-5-1, then you apply this bass line. So 1-1-3-2-5, 5-5-1-1, or you can just do 5-5-1. It depends on the rhythm of the song. Okay, do mi re so. So do. So now you'll be going to your 3-6. So let's see what I played there. So 3-6-2-5. Okay, so I did something like this. 2-3-3. Then 3. That's on your 3. Then now to your 6. Okay. Then 3-6-6-3-2-2. 6-3-6-6-3-2-2. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your progression. And I did that nice bass line to it. So you'll be starting from the 2. So 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 4. You understand? Okay. So now let's start. Da 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 da. Okay. That's it. Okay, so let's continue. So from your 4, you're going to your 2. Learn this bass line. Okay, that is 6 2 2 2, then 2 5 5. Then to your 1. So 5 5 2 4 5 5 5 1 1. You understand? Okay. So you'll be starting again. 1 3 4 5 5 1. Then you continue. So 1 1 3 4 5 5 5 1 1. So a 1 5 1 progression. The first one. Now the second one. 1 1 3 4 5 5 5 1 1. See the two types, okay? So 1. So 3 6 2 2 2 5 progression, okay? So I did this on the 6. That is 2 3 5 3 6. Then 3 2. I pluck the 3 2 times. Then to my root 2. Then to my 5. 5 5 5 5 6 7 5. Okay. Okay. So 5 down. Okay, so 1 2 3 2 3 1 4 4. Now to your 2 and 5. So 6 1 2 2 2 2. So remember the first one 4 6 2 2 2 2. Now the second one 6 1 2 2 2 2. You see the difference, okay? So 5 5 2 4 5 5 5 5 5 1 1 2 4 5 5 5 5 5 1 1. Now the third one. So de papa. You see, so you can even apply this on the 1 5 1. 1 1 5. Then so it goes 1 1 5 5 2 2 1 1 1. Now to your 3 6 2 and 5. So this was on the 6. So when you're done with the 1 1, maybe going to your 6. So that is 3 7 7 6 6 6. So the 2 you're gonna play sharp, okay? So your 6, then 2, then to your 5. So 6 6 2 2 6 is 5 5 5. Okay. So when you're done playing 5 5 2 4 5 5, then you move on. One, 2, 3, 7 flat, 1 2 1 5 4 4. You can learn that, okay? So it's very simple. 1 2 3 1 2 3. You have your 7 flat here. To make it simple, if you get lost going to the 7 flat here, you can just do it 1 2 3, your 7 flats, okay? Then so you play 1 2 1 5 4 4. Now to your 2 and 5. So 4 4. You understand? So the third one goes like this. So 6, you have your 2 flat, your 3 and 2 and 5 5. That's the punches. 5 5. Okay, so 1 6 2 5 2 5 1. That's it. Okay. As I said earlier, the song are many. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.